Hi, I'm Nick. I am 36 years old. I made a 19-page one shot for the silent manga audition for this last past fall season. Um, the logline for my manga was uh, a young girl grows up and builds towards her artistic dreams, but as it falls out from beneath her, she finds the strength to move forward from her past selves.
When is the present? Like there is basically almost no present anymore. The thing is, like, I have seen this done a lot of times, right? Like, we get submissions like this where it jumps around like the timelines like too much. I mean, if you guys have maybe like an hour and a half movie, it's doable, right? Like, but when you only have like 16, 19 pages, like it's really hard to create like a very good story with timelines that keep jumping around. So I think like you have to establish, okay, like when is the present, and then these are maybe like flashbacks, and maybe for like a 16 pager you could have a max of like 2 flashbacks, right? Like, but even then, like you don't want to flashback to like their whole life, right? Like you flash
Right.
back to like the big moments that affect their decision as to why they're doing this. So I think if I were to kind of like rewrite the story, I probably would have already started with her as an adult, like working as a professional artist, you know
Yeah.
I think like that would have been like a better like story overall. But one of the other things that I also felt like was missing for your manga are the relationships, because like she doesn't interact with anyone. And I'd like to quote our pro manga editor Vivi, because like she said, it's through relationships that who people are, right? How they act in certain situations, right? Like, and I mean, when you have dialogue, right, it's how they talk to each other as well. So it reveals a lot about a person. Only the most dedicated, aspiring mangakas will reach this point. If you're still here, then you're already ahead of the game. But remember, nothing changes until you actually take your first step. If you want a clear roadmap on what to do next, then sign up to your free manga training. We'll walk you through the exact process you need to turn your blank pages into finished one-shots in just 60 to 90 days. No more random tutorials, no more guessing by yourself. The most exciting part? We're sending some of our best students on an all-expense-paid trip to Japan's biggest comic convention, where you get the rare opportunity to share your work with Japanese publishers. We'll even help translate your work to Japanese and hire a translator on the ground. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to stop dreaming about your manga and actually start making it. Sign up to your free manga training by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment.